Hi guys, this is Alan McIntosh here from Sage Dining Services at Blessed Trinity Catholic High School. And I just wanted to say that I miss each and every one of you. And I know how you guys love the buffalo chicken sub on Thursdays. So we have it every Thursday. So I'm going to give you the simple ingredients and how to make it at home. We have all the ingredients here. Hoagie rolls. This is the Texas Pete sauce that we do use at school. This is the Texas Pete that we have on our seasoning station. And this is the Texas Pete that I like to use myself. This is my favorite right here. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to show you how to make a buffalo chicken sub at home. And what we're going to start with is I have 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper. I have ½ a cup of buffalo sauce, which is my favorite one right here, which I'm going to use today because I'm going to be cooking for my family. So, and we also have our 8 ounces of mozzarella cheese, shredded mozzarella cheese. You can get at the grocery store along with your hoagie rolls, and you can choose any Texas Pete sauce you like, or you can use any other hot sauce that you like there. Okay, here on the cutting board I have 2 chicken breasts, which weighs just a little over a pound. And I know the recipe calls for a pound, but I'm going to make the 2 chicken breasts today. So what we're going to do is we're going to season them up. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take a little bit of olive oil. Let me get my gloves though, I forgot. Now that I have my gloves on, we can take the olive oil and we're just going to drizzle a little bit over the chicken breast. Okay? And then we can rub it in with the gloves on both sides because we're going to grill this. And tonight, I'm going to grill it on my grill outside for you. Okay? So you just put a little olive oil on, you grill it, and you're going to take your salt, your pepper, and you're going to season both sides. Sprinkle it on. Okay? Salt on that side. A little pepper on this side and that side. Okay, now we're going to flip it over and we're going to do the same thing. We're going to put some more pepper, use it all up, 1 teaspoon on both sides, and the salt, we're going to season it up. Okay, and then I'm going to put it on a plate and I'm going to go grill it on the grill. And now the next step in making the buffalo chicken sub is you have to cook the chicken. So tonight, I'm going to cook it on the grill here at home. So here we go. We're going to open up the grill. I've already turned the grill on, and it's set about 400 degrees right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the chicken breast and we're going to lay it down on the grill. And you're going to hear that sizzle. You hear that sizzle? And then we're going to close the grill and we're going to cook it for about 4 minutes on this side. And then I'm going to flip it over. We're going to have nice grill marks on it. Hi guys, I'm back again. Now it's been about 4 minutes, a little over 4 minutes. Now we're going to flip them over. Okay, so I'm going to open up the grill and flip them over and see how they change in color. And see there's some nice grill marks on there. What you want to do is see this one here on my right over here is a little bit smaller than the one on the left. So this one's going to take a little bit longer. So what you want to do is you're going to have a thermometer close by, and you want to make sure that your internal temperature is going to be 165 degrees. Now, for our next step in your buffalo chicken sub, we're going to slice up the chicken. And I've already started here, as you see. I've cut it into little 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch slices, however thick you want it. And we're going to slice it up. Okay, and then we're going to dice it up in little pieces. We're going to take this and see how nice and juicy that chicken is. That's going to be delicious. You guys are going to love it. So we got all our chicken. We got it in a bowl here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our ½ cup of buffalo sauce, which again, my favorite is here, but you can choose any one you want. This is the one here we use at school. I haven't seen it in the stores, but these are pretty comparable. So we're gonna pour the sauce in, okay? And we're gonna mix it up, okay? Mix it up in the bowl, okay? Okay, got that there? Doesn't that look delicious? Now, set this off to the side. Now I got my buns laid out here on a little sheet pan. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stuff the chicken inside each with about 4 ounces. And we're going to take our 8 ounces of mozzarella cheese. We're going to put 2 ounces on each. So what we're going to do here is we got them on the pan. We're going to put it all on there, and now we're going to melt that cheese on there. So just hold on, and we're going to go over here to the oven, which is right here. This is my beautiful oven, and I have got the broiler preset. It's on high. Okay, so this process is only going to take about 2 or 3 minutes, depending on your oven. So we're going to pop them in the oven, and the broiler is on, so we're going to melt the cheese. Now it's time. We're going to take it out of the oven. Now, be careful, because see how dark they're getting here on the edges? You got to be careful, because the broiler will darken it too fast. They've only been in there a little over 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes at the most, and it got dark already, but the cheese is melted. Great, guys. I hope you enjoy this buffalo chicken sub as much as I am with my family tonight. If you like it, and if you want more videos like this, give me a thumbs up, and remember, wash your hands.